What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I am going to show you how to get free items in Roblox for your avatar. This is super easy guys, so let me walk you through step by step what you need to do. So you want to sign into your Roblox account, right? And once you're there, click the marketplace on the upper left hand side. That's going to take you to where you can do all of those purchases, right? As I said, you're going to get these for free. So what you want to do is the first thing is to click the drop down on the upper left hand side where you have all items, and from here you can choose whichever items you want. Preferably if you want to see everything that is free, you can leave it in all items, but if you want to go more specific like head or accessories or clothes, or even a specific character, you can go ahead and select these, right? So as you can see, I can select, but as I said, let's stick with all items because we want to get and see everything what is free that we can get, right? So from there, the next thing you want to do is to go where it says any price. Click that drop down there, and where you have the max, just simply put the 0 there and click and apply. That's going to filter out all the things that are free within Roblox. And as you can see here, it says free, 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 free. There's so many free stuff, guys. So many. So whatever it is that you need, whether it's a free character, whether it's some accessories, whatever it is, you can get those free characters. Now, let me look at this one here. As you can see, the Knight of Redcliffe or Knights of Redcliffe, right? So let's say I want this one. I can simply click and add. And as you can see, I have this added. Anything you find here, guys, that you want, you can simply go ahead and get them. Anything. For example, this link, I can click on it as well. And once you click on it, it's going to take it over to the page. And you can say, okay, buy. Once you click and buy, what's going to happen? You can go ahead and say get no. Remember, it's free. So once you do that, you will get this no. And here, it basically said that you have successfully acquired it, right? You can choose if you want to customize it, or you can just click off or click not no, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get a few more things so you can actually see what else is there. So let's jump back to the marketplace again, ensure that our filters is set to free. So let's put a 0 there again and just basically see what else. Right, so if another character, let's look at this one. John looks good. So let's say I want to get John again. I can click add from here, or I can click on it and it will take me over to the specific page where I can click and buy and click and get no. Right, so whichever way you want to do it, whether you want to click on the add or you want to click on it and then choose to buy it, then you will get it for free. Now, once you're done, guys, in order to find all of these goodies that you get for free, it's super easy to find. You just want to click the burger menu on the left hand side, upper left hand side, and from here you can choose avatar. Now here within your avatar, you will have all of those good stuff. So depending on what you purchase, then you'll be able to find it. So as you saw before, we had got some characters, so we can switch to the character tab. And here, for example, under the character, you could see the one that I had for John. If you want to go specific to see only the ones that you purchased, at the top you will see purchase. So if you click on that, it will take you over to that specific page where you have those purchases. So here we had John, we had Lynn, right? So we had those two there as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to find free items on Roblox. If you found value here, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And on top of that, hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.